Integration is one of the hardest JC topics, and this is a very classic integration by parts question from VJC that I thought every JC student needs to know how to solve. Over here, we are asked to find the integral of ln x, the whole thing squared. And there's actually a trick to this, because if you look at it at one glance, you wouldn't know how to integrate this, right? But over here, there's an invisible 1 times over here that we must remember exists. So I'm going to rewrite this as integrate 1 times ln x squared dx. And 1 over here, I'll treat this as an algebraic term. So remember LIATE, your acronym. I see logarithm comes before a, so therefore this will be my u and this will be my v. So this whole thing over here will be my u. So over here, this is my u v prime, right? And therefore this will be ln x squared, right? This is u, and then I'll integrate v prime to give me v, and integrate 1, I'll get x over here. So this is v minus integrate, then I will differentiate my u. So differentiate ln x whole thing squared, I bring down the power, and then I minus 1 to the power, and then I differentiate inside, right? And don't forget, after that you still got your v over here. So v, that's why there's an x over here, dx. So therefore I will get x ln x squared minus, then you realize that these two actually cancel each other out. So what I'm left with is just 2 integrate ln x dx, right? And now I need to integrate ln x, but again, you can't integrate ln x by itself, so we need to remember to have a 1 times over here and repeat integration by parts one more time. So this will give me x ln x square minus 2, then I'll open up a bracket over here, and this is essentially the same case as before, right? Whereby here is u and then here is v prime. So what I'll get is that I'll get ln x times x minus integrate 1 over x dx, right? And you realize that these two actually strike out to give me 1, but don't forget, you still need to integrate this over here. So what we get in the end is just x bracket ln x square minus 2 bracket x ln x minus integrate 1 will give me x, and then I will have a plus c arbitrary constant at the end over here, right? Please don't ever forget your arbitrary constant. And then I'll multiply the 2 into the bracket, multiply the 2 into every single term here, and I'll get the final answer of x ln x square minus 2x ln x minus 2x plus c, of which the c you can just keep it as c because 2 times c is still an arbitrary constant after all. And that's the final answer to this question over here. So to all JC students, integration is one of those harder topics to initially master, but once you know all the secret little tricks just like this, it becomes very easy for you to master. And if you're looking for more integration specific practices, I have filmed and compiled a library of A1 Math Academy where I've compiled questions from many different JCs and filmed video answers for them. If you want access to that, just WhatsApp this number and I'll send you a demo link to show you how the library actually looks like, as well as an information kit to provide you more information on how we structure things in the library and all the resources that you can get, including our 24/7 turnaround premium marketing service. And with that said, I look forward to seeing you on WhatsApp.